I regret the day I said yes to Mr. Trump.
Harsh words from Michael Cohen, the man who served Donald Trump for a decade.
He is a racist, he is a con man, and he is a cheat. He was a presidential candidate who knew that Roger Stone was talking with Julian Assange about a WikiLeaks drop on Democratic National Committee emails.
The Trump campaign's role in releasing dirt on opponent Hillary Clinton revealed in Cohen's last chance, as he sees it, to tell the truth.
And nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Before his prison time for lying to Congress, something Cohen believes Trump encouraged.
He would look me in the eye and tell me there's no Russian business, and then go on to lie to the American people by saying the same thing. In his way, he was telling me to lie.
Cohen said he had no direct evidence of collusion between Russia and the Trump campaign, but he did provide proof about a different scandal with a copy of a check.
I am providing a copy of a $35,000 check that President Trump personally signed from his personal bank account on August 1st of 2017, when he was President of the United States.
A payment allegedly preventing adult film star Stormy Daniels from revealing her decade-old affair with Trump just before the 2016 election. Just one part of Trump's pattern of dishonesty, Cohen told lawmakers.
He had no desire or intention to lead this nation, only to market himself and to build his wealth and power.
But Republicans said convicted felon Cohen made for the worst possible character witness.
If the Democrats were after the truth, they'd have an honest person here testifying.
And charged that Cohen was attacking the president out of spite.
You wanted to work in the White House.
No, sir.
You didn't get brought to the dance.
Democrats said they found Cohen credible, his testimony speaking to how Trump operates.
There is a growing body of evidence that he will stand for nothing in terms of making sure that his hide is protected. I mean, he will obstruct justice, he will violate the law.
But it's not clear if that's enough evidence to lead to impeaching the president.
I think it's clear that there were statutory crimes committed. It requires us to ask the question of whether these are crimes against the republic itself and whether these are offenses against democracy. And I think America's going to be involved in a dialogue.
A discussion most Democrats say cannot be resolved until special counsel Robert Mueller delivers his report on the Russian collusion allegations. Catherine Gibson, VOA News, Capitol Hill.